Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. Yes, I'm doing 2 videos on a Saturday and there's reasons for that. I'm talking about a company just like NEO. I believe in this company. It's a new company. So the stock price will be volatile. Please proceed with caution. However, the reason why I love this company is for the same reason why I love NEO. It has an incredible business model. It has an incredible CEO. It has an incredible product. And it has huge institutional investors as well as incredible minds associated with this company. So I'm talking about none other than Sofi Technologies. The CEO is Anthony Noto. Look him up. He's a genius. I spoke about this company before. And this company came into the stock market through one of Chamath Palihapitiya's SPAC. And this is another guy that I have a lot of respect for. I spoke about him before. He came from Sri Lanka on welfare, grew up on welfare as a kid in Canada, went on to become a billionaire, I think around age 36 or 38 years old. This is why I say there's no excuses for your skin color. You just have to do something that most people don't want to do, which is invest, sacrifice, take chances and invest your money. Most people don't do that and they stay poor and they die poor. As long as you do that, it doesn't matter what ethnicity you are, what color you are, you're going to make it. If you fall down, you pick yourself up, you try again. So anyway, let's get into the video, guys. Sofi was last trading at $8.01. The 52-week low is $4.24. And the high was $11.70. The 52-week high, it was way higher than that at one point. I hold a little over 400 shares at around $13. It was higher than that. I keep bringing my average down whenever I can. But for those who don't know what Sofi is doing, they are technological platform. They have their own bank now. They do student loans at a cheaper rate. They do personal loans, refinancing, everything cheaper than the bank. They do credit cards. I have their credit card. They do cryptocurrency. You can buy cryptocurrency through them, and stocks. I use them to buy stocks as well. I really like the company, and that's why I also invest in them. So I wanted to give you guys a nice, sweet little update to show you when you believe in a company, you hold with diamond hands because you see the business model and where they're going. Sofi Technologies, and this, I got an analyst put out this report. So I'm just pretty much reading over what he said, and I did do my research, and what he's saying is correct. Sofi Technologies delivers a triple beat and is upgraded by Morgan Stanley after the 3rd quarter. So I had already spoke about that, but I didn't go in depth. Morgan Stanley upgrades, and I said that this would happen because, especially because of the students have to start paying their student loans again. That's where we get the majority of our income from. For now. But anyway, Morgan Stanley upgrades Sofi Technologies from underweight to equal weight after impressive 3rd quarter earnings and raised guidance. This is the same Morgan Stanley who was beating them down several months ago. And this is why I tell you guys, the market play a lot of game. Just because an analyst say it's a sell, don't mean it's time to go and sell. Usually it means it's time to buy because people are selling and the stock is tanking, and that's when us lions should be feeding. Sofi deposits continue to grow at a staggering pace, outperforming other banks in the industry. And I knew this would happen. And a lot of it, guys, is because everything is digital. You use your phone for everything with this company. It cuts out a lot of the overhead. Sofi's ability to sell loans from its balance sheet and its strong growth in lending segments prove bear cases wrong. So all the analysts who are beating it down, all the bears, we're proving them wrong, just like with NEO. After another impressive quarter, some of the big firms on the street are changing their tune. Listen very carefully. As Morgan Stanley upgraded shares of Sofi Technologies from underweight to equal weight. And let me reiterate this again, guys. This is a new company. So if you're investing and want to now start investing in this company, you have to have a strong heart to stomach huge swings in the share price until this company becomes a behemoth. So from underweight to equal weight, Sofi delivered another triple beat after beating the consensus estimates of non-GAPs by 6 cents as they lost -3 cents, generating $537.2 million in revenue, which was $21.64 million over the consensus, and raising the 2023 guidance for the second time. They raised guidance for the second time. It's a beautiful thing. So let me stop playing around. I believe in the third quarter 2023 will go down as a pivotal quarter as Sofi delivered record numbers across the board in its quest to become a household name and a top 10 financial institution in the United States. This was the first quarter since third quarter 2021 where originations in student personal and their home lending segments grew quarter over quarter in unison, and each segment generated a contribution profit. Sofi also announced that they agreed to place a and listen very carefully to this, guys. Let me say this again. Sofi also announced that they agreed to place a $375 million personal loan scrutinization with BlackRock. As this further differentiates Sofi's sources of capital, Sofi is still experiencing exponential growth, and with GAAP profitability expected in fourth quarter, we expect profit again in fourth quarter. I think more upgrades are coming and that Sofi could finish the double digits of 2023 and potentially get back to their all-time highs in 2024. So I truly believe, like I did from the beginning, that this company is going to be a behemoth. And as this company continue to grow, we can ride that wave up. See, most people love buying stocks in companies. They look at it as a stock, not a company. Just like people view NEO as a stock, not a company. Most people love buying stocks in companies when it's already a monster. Or this is a company, like one of my friends, he loved using that term. Oh, that's a company. After it's already a behemoth and he buys. The educated investors and the managers of huge hedge funds, they also buy into companies that are growing and they ride the wave up, and that's how they create billions of dollars, like BlackRock. That's why BlackRock is invested in this company as well as in NEO and other huge companies. Sorry, in other startups. They also invested in huge companies, but they invest into these startups when they see the business model, the CEO, the product, all the things I just mentioned. So I hope this gives, I know I have a lot of my subscribers who also mentioned to me that they have shares of Sofi. So I also wanted to do this video for you guys, and a lot of them already know this. So I'm more like, you guys have almost turned me into a cheerleader because you do your own research and I'm just, relaying the message back and hopefully bringing awareness to these companies to help other people who don't have an idea or an iota of what to invest in. So I hope this information meets you guys well. I hope it gives you guys confidence to keep holding with diamond hands and buying. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I would suggest you do so. If you haven't yet hit that like button, please do so. It'll help encourage me to keep doing videos for you guys, because in this channel, we are warriors. We get rich or we die trying, guys.